Hi, Crystal here from Christico Design. Today I'm going to show you how to do foundation single crochet. We'll start with the slip knot on our hook. Then I'm going to chain 2. 1, 2. I'm going to work into the second chain for my hook. 1, 2, which is the first one I made. Insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. I'm going to yarn over and pull through 1. Essentially, I'm making a chain here. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2, where I'm making a single crochet. Together, this is 1 foundation single crochet. So as I work through, I'm going to insert my hook into that first chain that I made there. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1. This is what I'm going to insert my hook into when I make my next stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now I've made 2 foundation single crochets. So I'm insert back into that first chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now I have 3. Just continue down as many as you like, which is the nice part about foundation single crochet, that you don't have to have a preset length for your chain. You can customize it to your needs. It also, as you see, creates a sturdier, better looking stitch. And I find it easier to insert my hook into this part of the chain than just doing it with a chain only. So once you get the hang of it, it is easier. And you're also taking care of your row 1. Most crochet patterns want you to chain 100 and then turn and single crochet across or whatnot. And this way you would take care of both of those steps in one if we were going to make 100 foundation single crochets. Okay, so I'm going to stop there for foundation single crochets. And I'm going to turn my work and show you the back, which you can really see looks like single crochets and your chains along the bottom. Then if I were to continue a pattern, I would chain 1 and I'm just going to single crochet into the top loops like I would on a normal crochet project. And then you have your starting chain and your row 1 all in one step. So you can use this and replace it with chains for most things. If you want to customize the length or you just prefer a sturdier start. I hope that this has been helpful. I know I kept having to look this technique up when I first learned it, so it's good to have on hand. And there you have rows 1 and 2, and that is how you make a foundation single crochet. You can check out my blog, Christico Design, for more free tutorials and patterns.